Namaste viewers, welcome to Degula channel. In this episode, we will see the story of Saranga birds. It's a story from Mahabharata. We'll go through the story in detail. It's a wonderful story. But before we go to the details of the story, I request you to please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. So now, to begin with this story, once long ago, Agni, the god of fire, he was continuously consuming butter for almost 12 years as a part of sacrifice. After so long of consuming butter, only butter, something like this, he became very weak and he lost his brightness, he lost his, heat, hotness, all those things, that fiery bright color. He turned pale, dull, and he wanted something. He wanted help to regain his strength and luster. He's always ferocious, all those kinds of things. Agni means you feel that fear. So he went to Brahma, the creator of the universe, and then he asked his advice. See, I've been very weak. I want something. Otherwise, I have to get my strength and all those things. Then Brahma advised him, said, Agni, if you want your color, if you want your strength, if you want all your valor, everything back, you must burn the Khandava forest. A big forest was there, Khandava Vana. It's a home for many animals, birds, and many creatures who are enemies of the gods. Actually, they are enemies of the gods, and a lot of nocturnal beings who are all animals, like devils, demons, all those people, those enemies of gods. If you eat their flesh and fat, your power will return. Of course, I don't know how Brahma said that to eat meat and other things. Anyway, so Agni was very eager to follow Brahma's advice and set out to burn the forest. He just set out to burn the forest. But when Agni tried to burn the forest on fire, light the forest on fire, the animals, the Rakshasas, demons, whoever were living there, they fought back. All the people, all elephants, snakes, so many, used their powers to stop the fire by just pouring huge amounts of water onto it, and then they just put out the fire. So Agni was frustrated. Agni was also weak, so he could not burn it. He was frustrated and went back to Brahma for more help. Brahma said, go to Krishna and Arjuna, they can help you. So Agni went to find Krishna and Arjuna, who were resting near the Yamuna river with their families. When Agni told them about this problem, Krishna and Arjuna agreed to help them. Arjuna said, I will help you, but first I need some weapons to fight the animals and celestials. Can you get them for me? He said. I'm ready, but I want all kinds of ammunitions, all those things. Then Agni quickly brought the weapons to Arjuna. He brought all the weapons and then gave it to him, all ammunition, arms and ammunitions. With their help, Agni was able to start the fire in the Khandava forest again. But this time, Krishna and Arjuna made sure no animals or no birds could escape the fire. Agni needed to eat their flesh to get his power back. So nobody could escape that. So as the fire raged, Indra, the king of gods, became worried because he had his friend named Takshaka, the chief of the snake, who lived in the forest. Of course, Takshaka was not there at that time, but Indra sent his army of celestials to stop Krishna and Arjuna. The battle was very fierce, but Krishna and Arjuna, they defeated the celestials. As the forest burned, 6 creatures managed to escape the flames. Only 6. All other things, got burnt. Among them was Ashwasena, the son of Takshaka, the king of the snakes. He flew away to safety. A Danava, a Rakshasa named Maya, also escaped. And Arjuna gave him refuge because Maya's brother Namuchi had been killed by Indra. So he was protected. 4 young Saranga birds, 4 young small Saranga. Saranga, it's a kind of a bird. They were the last to escape, flying away from the burning forest. They all escaped flying, they flew away. And so the Khandava forest was destroyed and Agni regained his fairy form. Krishna and Arjuna's self was crucial in completing Agni's mission, and they made sure the creatures who escaped found safety. The forest may have burned, but Agni's strength returned and peace was restored. So this is the end of the story. It's a story. Please take this as a story. We need not so many doubts would definitely come in the mind of whoever who listens to it, but just take this as a story. Thank you for your valuable time. Please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. We'll go to the next part of the story of the Saranga birds in the next episode. Thank you for your valuable time. Please like, share, and then subscribe to our channel.